Happy Saturday, everybody. Here I am in my dilapidated shop I rent, um, trying out this microphone thing. Maybe I'll put this on TikTok, try to be a TikToker. Here with the Mark 1 lap 07K race car. And there's Madison's Banana Mobile. Insane car. Very dirty because it's just sitting. But I'm going to try this out. Film, just try and get all the stuff that I have on the car. Try and post a video so people can see what I have on it, what I've done to it, and the lighting is not great. Like I said, I'm not an influencer, just making a video to show people stuff and doing what I can because I got a bum shoulder. I'm doing physical therapy right now, so wiring, plugging stuff in, the easy stuff. Later. There it is. All right, so oil cooler got from Scott Williams, USRT. It's a little scratched up from me banging it around. Got a Ram Air filter from Ram Air. This I had custom made before anybody was really making them by Black Magic Metalworks. It's a billet AN fitting for the coolant neck. Run to my AN lines. I do have an S&P AN fitting on there. S&P motor mounts, axles as well from S&P. Dumpy Bunny. Adam Strunk makes this catch can. It's pretty awesome. Bolts right up to the engine. Started plugging in some wires after I got the wife and daughter to put the motor in. You know, all stuff that I can do without destroying my shoulder more. The Bling Blang from Alterman, 15 by 8.5, ET negative 10, 4 by 100, 3-piece wheels. I have silver coilovers from Florida with custom dampening and custom springs. This wing I got from Jazz Carbon. Put the Durberg Rough on it. But yeah, it fits like shit. I've messaged them a million times and got no response. Kind of pissed me off, but whatever. Eventually I'll have a real wing made. Started making the race pack mount. Easy little carbon fiber. Just got my new don't pay attention to my wiring, it's a mess. It's all ripped apart. I'm redoing it. Just got my extension and quick release. Got the TR shifter from S&P. Pedals from OBP. I modified that pedal cluster to run the drive-by-wire. Let's see, what else do we have here? You know, this is the race car. New front rad support I just painted. Fits really nice. Just things, you know. I'm gonna stop this video. I finished my fuel cell. Threw some weight on there for faking fuel in it. I'm gonna stop this video and lift the car up a little bit and get underneath. Film some more underneath. This is all new to me, filming stuff. So bear with me. All right, here we are underneath the car. I have Tech 53 tubular control arms. Please do not pay attention to how beat up this car is. It's old. Got a S&P lower brace. There's my S&P rear trans mount. Fred welded on to the spindles, the drop pin, and I have the tie rod flip. This is the downpipe that was made a long time ago. Very close to the steering rack, so I hammered it, heated it up and hammered it so it doesn't hit. Dumpy Bunny axle. There's the other S&P. Tektonics 2.5-inch exhaust to a Borla. Under there is my S&P fuel filter, fuel pump 044 pre-filter. Made a little heat shield. Don't think it's really going to get that hot, but just wanted to keep that. Innovative Motorsports Solutions tow kit. The Holy Grail Shine rear bar. If you have a chance to get one, get one. They're the shit. I do have Innovative Motorsport Solutions bearings. Here is my silver with silver suspension with the Swift springs. And I think that's all the fun stuff underneath. I'll lower this back down. And there are the wheels. Tech 53 brakes, 11-inch front. And the dual rears with the electronic parking brake. I think what else? That's about it, really. I'm just rehashing stuff, trying to clean up the wiring. So, like I said, don't make fun of me. Here you go. Working on it.